Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be telling you how can you create a Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to create a Bitget wallet, you have to open this Bitget wallet application at very first, and after opening the application you will get to see a lot of options. First one is create wallet. Simply tap to that, and after tapping there, tap to agree in order to agree the terms of service. And after this, you have to set PIN for your Bitget wallet. Simply set up a PIN, and after that simply verify the PIN again. And after entering the PIN and verifying it, it will start encrypting your data into Bitget wallet, and your wallet will be ready in no time. This way you can also create your Bitget wallet very easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.